PBW 500, our machine gave EO5 failure. So boiler NTC failure. The reason for this: boiler NTC may be defective. There may be no contact on the cable, we will check them. Also on the card, the red cable in this socket may be contactless. Let's check these two. First, to replace boiler NTC. Draining the water of the machine in the reservoir. If the water in the boiler is hot, we need to cool it. There will be no water in the chamber again. Because if there is water in the chamber when we start the machine again, changing the NTC, because the boiler will reduce water. They will start working because they will see the water flow. We'll give NTC and resistance failure again. So we need to drain the water completely, in order not to have hot water in the boiler. We will empty the water completely. Now let's get the machine water again to cool the hot water in the boiler. We will buy cold water for the boiler, which is the hot water flowing when changing the NTC. Don't hurt us. Now let's drain the machine. Then cut off the energy. Let's make the NYC change. We cut off the energy of our machine. It is now closed. Some water will flow from here. With 19 keys. To change the NTC, take this screw apart. We take the bolt on it. New NTC. We wear new O-ring. We squeeze sweet so as not to crush that ring. We can plug this socket. Yes, Inti. C change, okay? I'll show you on the menu now. There are 2 points. We can get our machine working.